and welcome back to the Shamrock Quilt Studio. Hi everyone, it's Kim from the Shamrock Quilt Studio, and I'm here today to let you know about a temporary change to our video schedule. I am here to let you know that we're going to bump the December block of the month to November the 20th. That's a Wednesday, and it's going to be the week before Thanksgiving. And this will allow you time to work on it without having to worry about what's going on for Thanksgiving, because if you're like me, that last Wednesday before or the day before Thanksgiving, I'm busy as a little bee, and I certainly don't have time to be thinking about quilting. So we're going to have no videos for the week of Thanksgiving to allow you and me to focus on Thanksgiving. But not to worry, we will be back the first week in December, and I believe that's Wednesday the 4th of December. We will be back with our January block of the month. And let me tell you, I just finished videotaping the segment for that, and that is just adorable. I just love it. So be sure to tune in both for the December block of the month on the 20th of November and the January block of the month on December the 4th. Now, for the rest of December, I'm going to limit our video scheduling to only Wednesdays. I'm not going to have a video on Fridays for the month of December. That will allow me to have some time to plan for the holidays and spend time with the family, spend time shopping, and also spend a little time working on our 2025 projects. I've got some exciting projects for us, and we're going to hit it right after New Year's and get right on it. So be sure to jot this down in your schedule. No videos the week of Thanksgiving. The December block of the month will drop November the 20th. The January block will drop December the 4th. And there'll be no videos on Friday. We will go back to our twice a week videos beginning in 2025. So no worries there. Like I said, I've got some exciting projects for 2025, and I know you'll like them. And we'll see you there. Thanks again for watching my videos and supporting my channel. I'm always glad you're here.